Hi, Carol Reve here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Multiple Income Funnel. This is a review of this. I've only been in this literally days. If you struggle to recruit, if you struggle to earn money online, if you have had little to no success, or maybe you've just made a few dollars online, if you want more, if you want success, if you want the potential to do really well and to gain time freedom and financial freedom, then I'd really like you to take a look at this. Okay. If you look at it and you decide it's not for you, that's fine. And basically looking at it is all you're going to do is come in and watch a video. You can tell right from the video that whether it's for you or not. As I've said before, I've been in this for a couple days. I've made one video. I've done a couple Facebook posts, and I've talked to a few people. Okay. What's impressive about this system is there's 4 income streams to this funnel system. Okay. 2 of them you can put in whatever you want. That is why I got into the multiple income funnel, is because I wanted to put 2 of my businesses in there. Okay. The other two income streams are, one is the funnel system, okay, and the 4th income stream is traffic, which you need, and it's very good traffic. Now, I've just barely begun to be driving traffic. I have my own personal favorite traffic source that I really love, that converts well, that I'll post below this video. It's premium traffic. You'll take a look at it. And then the 4th income stream is the traffic, which is genius because as you're advertising this, I mean, you really need to join that traffic. It's Traffic Authority, the traffic website. If you're not in it, you really need to join it to drive traffic because you're going to miss out on huge commissions. Okay? This is not even that traffic. As I said, I'm still getting my e-wallet validated and approved. Okay? So this is, now there's no guarantee you're gonna do that in a couple days, okay? Um, I have a little bit of a following on Facebook. I have, people that I've worked with for a little bit over time, and I've been doing videos for a little bit. As I said, I've been on Facebook for a little bit. But anyways, let's get into this. I'm really liking the system. Why I joined was because I can add 2 of my own income streams to it. Okay. And one of the income streams that I have in here, my main one is Nexus Rewards. Really like that one, that company. So while I have that company in here, my other one, I may um, rotate, like 1 month drive traffic to Savings Highway Global, the next month drive traffic to Live Good, you know, because that's what you really want to do, is monthly be driving traffic. And what makes this system so amazing is that you can finally succeed with cold traffic with this. You don't have to have just warm market, okay? Because warm market is great, and I'm not saying don't do it, but I'm saying eventually your warm market runs out, okay? And then there is only cold market to really get into the potential of more income, time freedom, things like that. You need to be able to reach cold market people that don't know you, that don't have a clue, but can follow the system, and it hits them right where that what they're looking for. What are they looking for? for a way to make money. They're looking for a way to get out of their job. They're looking for a okay. Well, this system, if you go all in, especially with the traffic source, you know, and you can use other traffic sources too, but for heaven's sake, make sure you're in traffic in the fourth, in the traffic source, the traffic authority. Okay, make sure you're in that. The first income stream is the funnel. It's $49 a month to do the funnel. If you don't want to pay monthly and you want to do an annual thing and save some money, you can pay one time annually, and that's $350. So that's like $250 savings. Now, with the first income stream, which is the funnel, the $49, or if you paid $350 one time for not one time, but annually, you'd be paying $350. You earn commissions. If somebody comes in and is just paying $50, you earn 20. Okay. If somebody comes in and pays the annual fee, the one time yearly, you earn $200 or the 180 because okay, because of fees and things are taken out. Now, if you're upgraded the $50 and you're not an annual member, you don't earn when somebody buys annually. You don't earn on that. It skips you right over. Okay, so I'd really consider the annual payment on that if you can afford it. If you can't, just do the $50 a month. Okay, that's fine. That's wonderful. Every person that comes in at $50 a month, you earn $20. Okay, and when you can afford to do the annual, I encourage you to do that so that way you're earning when somebody else comes in and pays annually too. If when they come in with your referral link. Now, don't get freaked out because this system is totally automated. This is a system to where it's a funded proposal to where you're putting these income streams in. That's the first income stream is the funnel. And then you have the second income stream is yours. Third income stream is yours. The fourth income stream is the traffic. Okay. So as you're paying for the traffic and building up traffic and advertising, and then people are joining you and you're earning commissions and you're putting it back into the traffic to earn more commissions, to bring more people in, to buy more traffic. So it's goes in a circle. It's what they call a funded proposal. This is a really good funnel, and I like the way they have the system set up. Okay, so those are the four income streams. Two you add yourself, two are set. Okay, and the start links are right here. Okay, it takes you through. It just brings right to here is what it does. Step one, you just watch this video. Okay. Step two is then you go and you set up streams. And this is my sponsors income stream. And then you'll see different ones for myself. Okay, so when you're setting up the income streams, if you have your own that you're going to add, just go and click 2. If you're going to join your sponsor, or if you're joining me, which I really appreciate it and love it, just click on these 2 and sign up and join and upgrade. And then come up to here to step 2. You got to do step 2 of both things there. Okay, then so you do step 1, step 2, step 3. Sorry, like I said, I've only been in this a few days. Okay, so you'll have to pardon me. And then step 4 is to join Traffic Authority. Okay, so you're joining all the income streams. You're all set there. Okay, click here for step 3, which is setting up your wallet. Okay, so these are the first steps that you want to do. And then as you're doing this, you've set your income streams up, then you're setting your e-wallet up. He gives you a back office tour. Make sure your income streams are set up. And then you click up here. You can see all these. There's resources, the leaderboard, where your leads are, the team, the training. The training videos are very good. I really encourage you to look at that. And all your links. Okay, and the my business, this is just for setup. Okay, this is Tracy, my sponsor. She's awesome. Come down here, and oh, and I want to give a shout out to Corey. Corey, you are lovely lady that joined me in this, and I just want to give you a shout out. You are gonna do awesome, and I'm very excited for us. And so this is where stream 2 is. You add your text, add your info, a video or an image link, add of course, your referral link, and then you have your choice of what you want your button to say. Okay, and then you go down to income stream 3. Now, if you only have one thing that you want to advertise and you don't want to join anything else, and you're going to do that, you can click that button right here and where it says remove this income stream, and you'll only have 3 buttons back there. Okay, but if you have the choice to get paid with 4 different programs or with 3 different programs, why wouldn't you choose 4? But you can always wait, and then as commissions grow, add it back. I really am very hesitant to ever say to take out an income stream, but I understand things are tight at times. So your e-wallet, that's where you click your e-wallet to get set up. Billing, payments, commissions. Here's some resources. You can see when you click a tab, then you come down here, email swipes, web banners, social media images are awesome, are really, really good. Facebook posts are good. The traffic takes you to Traffic Authority. Okay, so when you're joining Traffic Authority, oh, let me also tell you, when you join this, there's a special bonus in this that you'll find in the training if you listen to the videos. On your first 30 days, after you've joined this, if you get 3 paid signups, 3 paid referrals into this, you will get 500 clicks free sent to your link. Okay, that is worth busting your buns to get 3 paid people, to get 3 paid team members in here, so that you can get 500 hits. Tell them, help them to get 3 people so they can get 500 hits. It's 500 hits, and I'm pretty certain it's from Traffic Authority. That's some really quality traffic. Okay, so you can see these posts. Very, very good. The leaderboard, your leads, the team, and I want to go over any personal information that my team might have. 7 steps to success, marketing system success, weekly training calls. I mean, they have it all back here. This is, and then all your links, the special Facebook pages, a Facebook group that you need to join, in these capture pages. Okay, now if you're with Leads Leap and you want to use that as an autoresponder, you can always setting up some capture pages to go off of that into email series with that if you want that. But this is really all you need to do. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is really big. Okay.